Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to use concatenation and how to use the index function. The first thing is, what is concatenation? Basically, concatenation is when you just join two separate things together. For example, if we have a look here, I have concatenated this cell with some text and I have also displayed the bonus. So you can see here the formula looks like this. So let's now test it out and let's see if we can actually get it to work. We start off by opening up the formula command by pressing equals. We want to display the name of the person first, so we'll have to click on that cell. We then need to put in the ampersand symbol, which shows that we will concatenate. Then all you have to do is just press space and then you write in quotation what text you want to be displayed. So this is known as a string. Alright, so I wrote has a bonus of, and if I press enter on that, I can see that it shows that value, which is A4, and it's added text next to it. I have successfully concatenated. I have joined a text string with a cell. So to add to the rest of that formula, I will have to put in another cell, which is all about the bonus. So what I have to do there is I have to, again, use the ampersand sign. I want the dollar symbol. Alright, so the dollar symbol needs to be in quotations. And then I need to put in the bonus value. So if I press enter, now I can see that John has a bonus of $5,000. And so that's the formula to concatenate. To concatenate, you must include that ampersand symbol. So to move on to the next function, where we are going to be using index match. Now, by the way, all these rates change because I'm using the rand between function, and so it's just for the purpose that every time I write something, it will always change, and so the concatenation or the index will also change too. So to create the index match, which first, what we are going to be searching for is we are going to be searching for the name of the person who has a salary of, and we're going to say the highest salary. So in this case, I can see that the person with the highest salary is Bob on this, rand between. It might change later. But anyways, to start off the index function, what we have to do is we have to open up our formula. All right, start with index. And now it's asking for a few things. You have the array, the row number, and the column number. The array is what you want to search against. Okay, so once we've done that, we then need to match it with something. So I'm going to use match. Now the value that I want to look up in match is going to be the maximum salary. So I'm going to be using the max function and I'm going to highlight all of the salaries. Okay. And so now we actually look up the array. The array that you need is all of the salaries again. So all you have to do is highlight that. And then the match type, well, you don't need a match type, so we can just write false. And then just close the brackets. So you can see now that Peter has the highest salary. So it's returning back a value of Peter because he has the highest salary. If I change some of those settings, if I go to min as a function, press enter, it will say now that John has the lowest salary. So that's min and max. Now we go back to what we learned in the first part of this video where we talk about concatenation. We need to now say has a salary of, X amount of dollars. So to be able to do this, what we need to do is we need to add to this formula. We need to use the ampersand sign, quotations, has a salary of, add the $sign in there, close the quotations, ampersand again, and then we want to display the maximum number. So I'm going to use the max function again, press enter, and now you can see Peter has a salary of 28,000, etc. So if I change this and the numbers change again, now it says Johnny has the largest salary. So we're displaying his name and also the highest salary. Anyways, I hope you learned something about concatenation and the index function, and I'll see you next time.